This RUBY.Q 90-piece PEX fitting assortment gives do-it-yourself users and professionals a well-balanced mix of T's, elbows, and straight couplings for half-inch plumbing runs. The fittings are machined from solid brass, which gives them a reassuring weight and good resistance to corrosion and high water temperatures in both hot and cold lines. Because these are standard crimp-style connectors for half-inch PEX, installation is straightforward with a basic crimp tool and does not require soldering, open flame, or messy adhesives. The set is designed to work with the common PEX types A, B, and C that follow North American dimensional standards, so it integrates smoothly into most modern residential plumbing layouts. Having 90 matching pieces in one box makes it easy to rough in new branches, add manifolds, or handle multiple small repairs without running back and forth to the store. Overall, the RUBY.Q PEX Fittings Set feels durable, seals tightly when properly crimped, and offers a convenient all-in-one solution for half-inch PEX projects.